WebGoat is another set of insecure applications that you can test and download and practice your skill as well, right? You may actually find many different vulnerabilities that are either Java based or SQL injection, cross-site scripting, authentication flaws, request forgeries, insecure communication vulnerabilities, client-side vulnerabilities as well, and many others, right? Now, the difference between some of the other ones that I mentioned before and this one is that this one actually comes with a lot of very nice step-by-step instructions that you can actually, not only become familiar with the deficiencies or the vulnerabilities, but that they walk you through of what the actual problem is, right? So it's not so much of actually just launching a tool and seeing what is actually out there. If not, they actually take, they do a very good job on walking you through the specific scenarios and defining what are the specific flaws and vulnerabilities, right? This is actually something that is a community effort. There are many contributors to this. It is actually provided by the OWASP Foundation, but as you actually see in the About page, they actually have many different contributors from all over the world that are actually, contributing to this, right? So it's a very cool framework, I would call it, right, that you can actually use to practice your skill in a safe environment. Another thing is actually you can install this, just by going to this GitHub repository that I'm showing in the screen, or by just using Docker, right? So you can actually do a Docker pull, WebGoat, and look for the latest version of it, and then run it in a Docker environment. As a matter of fact, in this course, that's what I'm actually doing. I have WebGoat running in a Docker container, and I'm gonna use it throughout the course. And in my real lab, I have many instances of these that we actually use for testing, for training, and many other type of simulations, right? So a very, very good utility, and kudos to the guys from the OWASP Foundations and everybody actually behind it, because it's a very cool framework.